take a quick look at Western Union. Price has memory, and that's the one thing I want you to take away from this video, to reiterate if you're not already a believer. So if you look at the last couple of months of price action, this has not been an ideal stock to trade. Very erratic. Not a lot of great trade setups, trends, items such as that, although there was a nice resistance zone that formed over a couple weeks here. But what I want to illustrate with recent price action on Western Union is, so during all of this sporadic nonsense that's been occurring as the bears and bulls battle in this very wide zone, technical analysis still rears its head. Because you look back here at the late December, early January 2015, a nice, really predictable support zone formed. A very nice support zone. And a support zone that was tested enough times to have significance. So even during all of the mess that occurs, when it was free falling at the end of August, when it fell, well, that's a good chunk, 15%. Where did it stop? Price stopped back at the old support zone. That's not a coincidence. That's not chance. That's just not, hey, random luck of the draw. No. Investors, traders were aware of that old support zone. And so when price came down to test that, it is not surprised that it held. And it's had a short-term rally, in the preceding weeks. Not a great pattern, but to take away Western Union, if you want to put that on your watch list, there's two zones of significance, and it's a wide range because it's kind of a mess right now. But something that you might want to check in. Remember this general zone down at $17. This is a very significant zone. If price came back down to this zone, you wouldn't be surprised if it short-term held. Anything can happen, but we have enough evidence of this zone to see that it would hold. And then this resistance level here that coincides generally with the gap that occurred at the start of July. There was enough test points during this 2 weeks to feel very confident that that's a price zone of significance. So as it goes back and forth, maybe a new zone develops somewhere in the next few weeks, but these are the two price zones that we're keeping an eye on.